Have you ever wondered if the day you were born holds a deeper significance in your life? What if I told you that your birth date could reveal a unique spiritual archetype that shapes your journey? These archetypes represent distinct qualities and traits that guide your path, offering insight into your strengths and challenges. Keep watching to uncover which spiritual archetype aligns with your birth date. The Endurer archetype, born on the 1st, 8th, 15th, or 26th. If you were born on the 1st, 8th, 15th, or 26th of any month, you embody the Endurer archetype. Endurers are the resilient souls who face life's challenges head-on, armed with an unshakable determination. When the going gets tough, these individuals don't back down. Instead, they see obstacles as opportunities for growth. Life's trials are like a forge that strengthens their spirit, turning each hardship into a stepping stone toward personal development. Endurers are not just survivors, they are warriors on a journey of self-discovery. They understand that true strength is found in vulnerability and introspection. Rather than avoiding their struggles, they delve deep into their inner battles, seeking to understand and grow from them. This introspective nature allows them to find meaning and direction in even the most difficult situations. They don't just endure for themselves, they inspire others with their resilience, becoming beacons of hope for those around them. If you know an endurer, you can trust that they'll be there to remind you of your own strength when you need it most. The empath soul archetype, born on the 2nd, 6th, 16th, or 23rd. For those born on the 2nd, 6th, 16th, or 23rd, the empath soul archetype may resonate with you. Empaths are deeply in tune with the emotions and energies of those around them. They are the natural caregivers, often putting others' needs before their own. Their gift lies in their ability to understand and share the feelings of others, making them compassionate and supportive companions. However, this deep empathy can be both a blessing and a challenge. Empaths often struggle to maintain their own emotional well-being, as they give so much of themselves to others. Their spiritual journey revolves around finding balance, learning to care for themselves as they care for others. By prioritizing self-love and reflection, empaths can replenish their energy and continue to support those around them without burning out. They remind us of the power of kindness and the importance of creating a compassionate world, one act of empathy at a time. The Seeker archetype, born on the 3rd, 9th, 18th, or 25th. If you were born on the 3rd, 9th, 18th, or 25th of any month, you embody the Seeker archetype. Seekers are driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge. They are the eternal students, always eager to learn and grow. For Seekers, knowledge isn't just something to acquire, it's a way of life. They believe that true wisdom comes not only from books, but from lived experiences. Seekers are natural guides and mentors, eager to share their wisdom with others. They take pride in helping those around them navigate life's complexities, offering insights and advice gained through their own journey. However, the path of the seeker is not without its challenges. They can become so focused on their quest for knowledge that they forget to live in the present moment. It's essential for seekers to find a balance between their pursuit of wisdom and the appreciation of life's simple joys. The artisan archetype, born on the 4th, 10th, 17th, or 27th. Those born on the 4th, 10th, 17th, or 27th of any month embody the artisan archetype. Artisans are the creative souls who see the world through a lens of beauty and possibility. They have a unique ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, using their creativity as a spiritual practice. For artisans, creation is more than a hobby. It's a way to connect with something greater than themselves. Whether through painting, writing, or crafting, they pour their heart and soul into their work, infusing it with meaning and beauty. However, artisans can sometimes struggle with self-doubt and perfectionism, worrying that their creations aren't good enough. It's important for them to remember that the act of creation itself is valuable, and expressing themselves authentically is what truly matters. The Mystic archetype, born on the 5th, 7th, 19th, or 28th. If you were born on the 5th, 7th, 19th, or 28th of any month, you may resonate with the Mystic archetype. Mystics are the deep thinkers, constantly pondering life's big questions and seeking to uncover the mysteries of the universe. They possess a calm, stoic demeanor that masks rich inner worlds filled with contemplation and introspection. Mystics are drawn to spiritual practices that allow them to transcend the mundane and connect with the divine. They are comfortable with uncertainty and embrace the unknown, understanding that true wisdom comes from within. Their journey is not about finding concrete answers, but about embracing the spiritual quest itself. Mystics remind us of the importance of introspection and the pursuit of enlightenment. Whether you resonate with the endurer, empath soul, seeker, artisan, or mystic archetype, understanding your spiritual archetype can offer valuable insights into your strengths, challenges, and life's purpose. Each archetype holds unique qualities that can guide your journey, helping you navigate life's ups and downs with wisdom and grace. If you enjoyed this exploration into spiritual archetypes and want to learn more, please consider subscribing to the channel. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more insightful content.